Hey guys, my name is Ashish Patel. And you are watching Mr. Technical Hacker YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you different types of mode in Windows 10. So let's start the video. After the intro.
Access granted.
First, let's create GodMode for Windows 10. Right-click on your desktop and create a new folder. Then rename this folder. And enter this code here. Then press Enter button. And you successfully created a GodMode. Let's check. GodMode work or not. And it's successfully working. For more, check description. If you like this video, make sure subscribe our YouTube channel and be the member of Mr. Technical Hacker family.